Hi guys, welcome back to my channel VegFit. This is Priyanka here. तो कोरोना के चलते बहुत सारे लोग हैं और मैं भी आई एम पार्ट ऑफ दैट फैमिली where all of us are forced to work from home all the time, and it's going to become a new norm for many companies. Now with this new trend of working from home all the time, I see a lot of people are falling into the trap कि उनका वर्क कब खत्म होता है, पर्सनल लाइफ कब शुरू होती है, कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है. देयर आर एक्सटेंडेड आवर्स ऑफ वर्क, एक्सटेंडेड आवर्स ऑफ कॉल्स दैट आर हैपनिंग, और उसकी वजह से कई सारे लोगों ने मुझे ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है इंस्टाग्राम पे और पर्सनल मैसेज करके कि हाउ एम आई मैनेजिंग माई फिटनेस विद दिस न्यू वर्क फ्रॉम होम ट्रेंड फॉर अस. So today I'm going to tell you that last 3 months से जब से मैं work from home कर रही हूँ during this lockdown period, how did I make sure कि मैं अपने fitness को भी stick करूँ, मेरा work भी उससे affect नहीं हो, and everything goes as smooth as it was doing earlier. So let's get started. So first of all, something that we really need to understand and respect the fact is that everybody is entitled to have a clear boundary between the work and their personal life. अगर हम ये बाउंड्री डिफाइन नहीं करेंगे तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा टू बी एफिशिएंट एट योर वर्क एंड ऑल्सो मेंटेन योर फिटनेस, योर पर्सनल लाइफ, योर लाइफस्टाइल. क्योंकि ये सारी चीजें अगर मिक्स हो जाती हैं तो एक तो अगर आप फिट नहीं रह रहे हैं तो वो आपके वर्क पे भी इफेक्ट करेगा. सो हैविंग स्ट्रेच्ड आवर्स ऑफ वर्क इज रियली बैड for you for a long term, and since this is going to be a norm for a long time, we really need to step up and see that how do we manage these two things in a very balanced fashion. So what I did was that I fixed a schedule for myself, which was like I would start working at around 9 o'clock in the morning till 3:30 or 4 o'clock. I'll be working with my local team here, and from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock I would take a break. So it would be like 4 to 6:30, 2.5 hours of break. And after that my evening calls would start, which would be with my US counterparts. So 6:30 to around 8:30 my calls go on, maybe like 4 days a week. So how this helped me was that 4 to 6:30 PM का जो मैंने टाइम अपने लिए रखा था, वो टाइम पे मैं अपना मील प्रिपरेशन और अपने वर्कआउट को मैनेज करती हूँ. The morning time is where I wake up at around 6:30 or 7 o'clock. एंड देन 7 to 9 का टाइम जो है मेरा, वो मेरे मॉर्निंग शेड्यूल के लिए, वेयर आई वुड डू सम काइंड ऑफ मील प्रिपरेशन, डू सम हाउस होल्ड वर्क्स. So all of that was being able to manage, and I kind of made it very clear to everybody in the office, and I put it very clearly on my calendar that these are the time slots that I'm available. Now, did I run into situations where people were asking me to kind of be available during my off hours? Of course. So that 4 to 6 o'clock the time, because everybody they don't have like not everybody is having that kind of clear time slots. So they were kind of thinking and feeling that okay, now since I'm at home and I do not have anything else to do or go out anywhere, so I'm going to be available throughout the day and they can set up meetings anytime they want. But that's not how my life goes, and I really had to be very formatted in my communication that hey, I am not available during this time, and if you want to have a conversation with me, these are the time slots that are available. So that is a practice that I followed, and I had this fixed timing which I was following every single day. So there was absolutely no change in my schedule throughout the week. So I know my days are very predictable. I know that this is the time which is divided for my work, and this is the time that is divided for my personal work. So that really helped me a lot, and trust me, when you start defining these things clearly and you start communicating it well, I think everybody kind of adjusts to the fact that hey, this is how this person's availability is looking like, and they kind of we make schedule accordingly, right? So this was the first thing that I started doing, making a clear boundary between my work and personal and having a fixed schedule. Second thing that I did, which I was anyway doing earlier and which I did not stop even during lockdown, was working out for 5 days a week. And this has been my schedule for a long time. And I don't think it can change any time, or with any situation it cannot change, because this is my lifestyle and I really enjoy working out. And this also gives me a little bit of a off time from work, from home, and just focus on myself. So this is really important for me to kind of rejuvenate myself, to re-energize myself, and also everybody, I think most of us, हम लोग के लॉन्ग सिटिंग आवर्स होते हैं, हम लोग एक चेयर पे बैठ के, एक पोजीशन पे बैठ के बहुत लंबे टाइम तक काम करते रहते हैं, एंड इट एक्चुअली रिजल्ट्स इनटू योर नेक इश्यूज, योर शोल्डर इश्यूज, योर बैक इश्यूज. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप थोड़ा सा एक्टिविटी करें. और ये एक्टिविटी कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप बहुत हैवी ड्यूटी वर्कआउट करें, क्योंकि एनीवे अभी होम वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं हम, बहुत सारी चीज़ें पॉसिबल नहीं है. मैं भी जिम नहीं जा पा रही हूँ. Whatever workout I do it in my home only. So I have a small space here where I know that okay, ये area मैं use कर सकती हूँ अपने workout के लिए. I do some kind of cardio training, simple workouts at home. I do some kind of strength training also. But just being regular at it, like doing any kind of activity will be good. Either you go for a walk, either you only walk like within your home, like from one room to another room. You can do some kind of rope jumping at your own pace. Some kind of just body weight workouts can also happen. And also, you should also include a lot of stretches in your workout. This will help you kind of, with long sitting hours, all the problems that are, coming up. So this will help you a lot. And it is very beneficial because this is our lifestyle. This is our bread and butter. So we cannot sacrifice our health and fitness for our work. We have to maintain both of these things together. Third thing that I did was, which I keep talking about, is I went on intermittent fasting because this is something that I really enjoy doing, and I think this has become like a part of my life. So almost 80% of the times, 80% of my week's time will be around, I'll just be doing intermittent fasting, and I sometimes cheat a little, obviously. But how it helps is that because now we are sitting at home, all our fun, all our entertainment is very much limited to just being around with our family members, and we cannot go out, we cannot go outstation, we cannot even go partying or do anything. तो जो भी है वो घर पे ही है. अभी घर पे होने से क्या होता है कि जब भी हम खाली बैठे होते हैं तो we keep munching something, we have a habit कि अच्छा अभी मीटिंग चल रही है या अभी मूवीज देख रहे हैं. So we just keep some kind of snacks around and then we keep munching. The problem that happens with this is that we kind of lose track of how much we are eating, and that has resulted into weight gain for a lot of people. So if you want to avoid that, you have to restrict on this kind of food. For me, it really helps to kind of restrict my eating hours, which is the concept behind intermittent fasting. So that's what I did. So I usually eat between like 12 noon to 8 p.m. in the night, which is like 8 hours window. Rest 16 hours of the day, I don't eat anything. So there is absolutely no chance of me, going overboard with my snacking or anything. Just because I know that after 8 o'clock, I'm not going to eat anything. I have a good meal at 8 o'clock, I have a good meal at 12 o'clock, and one meal in between, and that's all I eat. So that way, I'm glad that I have been able to maintain my weight, maintain my fat percentage, and just be balanced with all my meals and have like a balanced, healthy diet. And apart from that, also one thing that really helps is having a good night's sleep, which I think a lot of us have been able to catch up on, क्योंकि सुबह उठ के कहीं भागने का और कहीं जाने का टेंशन नहीं होता है. But still, I would emphasize on this fact because a lot of us are getting into late night meetings and sacrificing our 7 to 8 hours of stretched sleep. Do not do that. Have a good meal 2 to 3 hours before your sleep timing. Make sure that you sleep at the same time every single day. This way, your body will get adjusted to the routine and knows that when you want to fall asleep. Do not have a heavy meal before your sleep time. Like dinner should be lighter than rest of the meal so that your body is well rested when you are asleep. These are the 3 things that have helped me stay fit the way I was before lockdown, and I think if you stick to it, you are going to also see some positive changes in your life. So till the next video comes, stay fit, stay healthy, keep smiling, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.